Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Diablo IV Lord of Hatred completely for free. This is going to be a free Bnet key and I'm going to show you guys how to get this here today. Expansion launches in about a couple hours. I'm going to run you through how to get it actually here today for free. What we're going to be doing is going to a coupon website. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This 100% works. Give this video a like if it does work for you so other people know as well, and drop me a comment. But what we're going to do is show you guys how to do this. Now you're going to need a mobile phone to do this. I'm going to explain why in just a sec. But we're going to go to a coupon website. I'm going to be doing this on Android, but this works, on iOS, but this works on Android as well. And let's go ahead and show you guys what to do. So you want to come to Safari or Google Chrome, and we're going to go to this coupon website called www.coupondealers.com. So I'm going to spell this out for you, so type this in. www.coupon, and then dealers, dealers.com. Coupondealers.com. Now, once you guys are on this website, you're going to see all these kind of codes and all this stuff here. So what you want to do is just find the free game key for Diablo IV Lords of Hatred. Just press on Get Code. And it's going to say basically prepare your next D4 expansion. That's all good. Go ahead and press on Show Coupon Code. What this is going to do is basically load this little thing here. There's about 400 of these codes left. They will be adding more, and I'm going to explain how it works in just a second. But as you guys can see here, here is your code. This is what you're going to type into your Bnet, to your console. I've obviously got this on Bnet. But as you guys can see, the code is locked, and what we're going to do is unlock it. So I'm going to press Get Full Code. Alrighty. And what it's going to do is take you to this little page here. And it's going to say, unlock your code in 60 seconds. 2 partnered apps required to unlock. These apps sponsor coupon dealers, and we cannot provide our amazing coupons without them, step 1 or 2. So essentially what we need to do is complete 2 of these things on this list. These are completely free apps. These apps basically have paid for the expansion codes off of Blizzard, and they're basically giving them away, and in order to do that, they want you to go ahead and use their app. So essentially what you're going to need to do is go ahead and complete these. I'm going to run you through and show you just how easy this is. It's free. So here's this one here. You just press on the little button there, tap on it. It's then going to open up to this page. Okay, it's going to say, take you here. It's going to say, press on the red button, search, type in that, okay, and then find the Moto app. It's in position 1, and then install it. So what we're going to do is do exactly what it says. You press the red button, then it can open up this. You press open, okay. Very, very easy. Now these apps obviously want you to keep using their app and keep downloading them and keep playing them. You don't have to do that, guys. You can go ahead and delete them once you've got the expansion pack for free. So you don't have to keep them, but obviously they've bought these codes for you, so you can go ahead and keep using their app, and kind of like a trade-off system. And I think they get more ratings in the App Store, so it kind of works like that. But all you got to do is just complete whatever the instructions are, and they're very, very simple. So for the Moto one, it just said to go ahead and open the app, and that should be all good. Go ahead and create an account if you want. There's going to be heaps of other ones as well. You got this Rico social one. You might have different ones. For me, these change all the time, so all the sponsors are always changing. And if you're an Android, you'll have completely different ones. To me, it's different all the time as well. So whichever ones you do choose, just go ahead and get whatever ones you want to get. So as you guys can see, you get this Rico one. Now this Rico one wanted us to do a different actual strategy. It said go ahead and play 1 game in the app for 5 minutes, so you can do that one. Got this Sezzle one here, you can do this one as well. Okay, this one says press the red button, type in that search right there, and then find the Sezzle app, and then you go ahead and get it. Very, very easy as well, guys. So just go ahead and complete whichever ones you do, and it shouldn't take you too long. Now, because I've already completed these, it should be already unlocked. I've completed these just before. So what we're going to do is go ahead and show you once you've completed them. So once you've completed at least 2 of these, like I said, you need to do 2 of them, otherwise it won't unlock. Go ahead and press on the back button, and now the code will be available and will be revealed. Go ahead and press copy. Copy that into your Battle.net, Xbox, whatever you're playing on. Just as easy as that, guys. So easy. Free expansion. It's only $40 US, but it also includes the first expansion as well. I think it's like Vessel of Hatred or something. So yeah, pretty good deal. And you get the new Warlock class, Diablo Paladin class as well. Super fun. So hope you guys enjoyed launch week today and launch day today, and should be fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Enjoy the codes.